The easiest way you can make money in the AI space, and this is the space that you have to be working on if you really do want to make money for your businesses. Why? Well, because this is the future. This is where the most change will happen. Everyone is talking about, every tech expert, all the leaders, all the businesses, the one thing they want to do is integrate AI solutions. They are looking at AI solutions for their businesses. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you the easiest way, the most laziest way you can make money in the AI space. Now look, if I'm going to make it the laziest way you can make money in the AI space, it means you shouldn't have to put in that much work. We should be able to make it passive for you. You will be able to scale it to making a lot more money, and we're going to make sure that you don't need to have a tech background, because that's the one thing that you're worried about, right? Guys, listen, I don't have a tech background. I don't understand anything about this, but one thing I've realized is how easily and how quickly you can get things made if you know the right people and have the right resources. It isn't actually that difficult. And so let's get right into it. The first thing is this. Who are your customers and who needs these solutions? It's businesses. B2B. So you're going to provide a service to these companies and you're going to say, well, a lot of things are going on in terms of productivity, in terms of your hiring, you're wasting a lot of money, etc., etc. I want to be able to provide AI solutions to you and AI services to you. How are you going to approach them? Well, it needs to be a lazy way, right? So the one thing you're going to make the most of is LinkedIn. See, on LinkedIn, you can write one post and get 10, 15, 20 companies interested in what you're offering. It sounds crazy, but I've done it many a times. And here's proof of it. Many of my posts have gone on to give me 30, 40, 50 clients, paying clients, and many businesses that have wanted to see my services, who may not become customers right now, but will go on to become my customers in 2, 3, 4, or 5 months. Again, you have to understand, people buy from the people they trust. And if they're not completely sure about your business model, that might be the case right now, but it won't be the case in 3 months' time. So the one thing you need to do whilst you're working, be active on LinkedIn. Come up with AI solutions, AI systems, and talk about the AI space. As long as you're just talking about AI on LinkedIn and saying AI can do this and AI can do that and this, just be informative and give value. You will be very surprised in how many businesses will come in and approach you directly themselves and ask for, can you educate us on AI? Can you make us a product within AI? Can you maybe give us an AI agent? Can you integrate your systems within our systems? This is exactly what businesses are looking to do. And so what you need to do is write posts on LinkedIn. So what you need to do is make sure you put a post out. The first line of your post needs to be clickbaity, not lying. I would never advocate lying. Clickbait in the sense where there is something to offer. You know, it's like, oh, wow, or whatever. You know, that's what you need to do on your LinkedIn post. Also, you need to make sure that there is an image or a picture. Usually a LinkedIn post with a picture or an image does way better. And number 3, I would say message people on LinkedIn, send direct messages, speak to those people that you think are of interest for your AI solutions or AI systems. Get in touch with those people. More importantly, I would say, look, if you can get a premium version of LinkedIn, then get that. So be active on LinkedIn. That's where your clients will come in. All you need to do, and honestly speaking, guys, one post a day. Do that for 3 months and you will get clients that will be wanting your services, your products, and your solutions. Now, how will you get products and solutions made within the AI space? After you get your clients, what you're going to do is find someone to make the product, the solution, or understand exactly what the business is even wanting in the initial phase. So you're going to be active on LinkedIn. You'll get companies coming to you and saying, yes, we need something. Yes, can you help us make this? Can you help us make that? They will happily pay you 5, 10, 15, 20,000 pounds. And that is for a smaller to medium-sized company, right? Those companies will happily pay you that amount. And then, by the way, there's a maintenance cost. You need to understand that. After that, you will go and find the developers. You will find the people to make something for you in Pakistan and India. There's tons of these guys. They will happily make something for you. It doesn't cost an arm and a leg. In fact, I've got teams at the moment actively working for businesses. One of our clients wanted us to find 10 people for them, and we have found 10 people for them, making them products and solutions. And so these guys exist in Pakistan, they exist in India. You need to find them there. If you need me to help you find someone, I can do. Look, it's just going to take a lot of my time, but look, Upwork, have conversations, speak to a lot of people, and find them on LinkedIn as well. You can definitely find them. In a monthly salary wise, you're probably going to have to pay them, I would say, $1,500 at most, and they will make whatever you need. Like whatever you need, they can probably make it for you. And so you're going to get that person to make it, but bearing in mind, you're going to pick up the client first. And you can do this while working your job, doing whatever you're going to do. and all you're doing is being active on LinkedIn. Now, you're probably thinking, well, I don't want to be active on LinkedIn. How do I get around that? Make another profile, man. Like, it's not that difficult. If you're trying to make money, if you're trying to make moves, do what you got to do. Make another profile. Tell your brother to do it. Tell your cousin to do it. It doesn't matter. And then get all your family on it. Repost it, like it, share it to family, share it here. Come on, like, be a little bit active, right? Now, I always tell you guys, the best space and the best way to get in this with companies is provide recruitment solutions, provide people, provide humans, supply employees for that company, and then switch it up and start supplying AI agents, AI solutions, and AI services. Why? Because these companies want the cost of labor for employees lowered, and they want to increase the cost of AI agents, AI solutions. Because when I say increase that cost, it's because the productivity will be more, the cost of labor will go down massively, and that is how you will actually be able to scale up a lot of money. So be active on LinkedIn, find the people from Pakistan and India to make you solutions and services, message people on LinkedIn. You'll be surprised, man. And honestly speaking, this works for me, and I'm showing you guys. And look, here are some of my posts that you can just copy. All these posts have gone on to make me 5 to 10 to 15 paying clients. That's what they've turned around. And some of my posts, by the way, have gone on to give me like 30, 40 paying clients. That's how crazy some of one LinkedIn post can be. Please don't take this lightly. It's one of the laziest ways you can make money in the AI space. And so hopefully you like this video, share with your family and friends, and trust me, more and better videos are coming up.